How to remove TikTok shop from profile. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your TikTok and after that go to your profile, and there on the top right hand side corner you will be able to find the three lines. Just simply click on it, then select the option of settings in privacy, then select the option of security, and after that you would be able to find the option of manage app permissions. Just simply click on it. Now you need to select the option of TikTok shop, and this way it would redirect you to a page where it will say remove access at the bottom. Just simply click on it. Now confirm that you want to remove your access to the TikTok shop, and this way just click on the option of remove, and after that you would be able to remove the TikTok shop from your profile. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.